Welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. We're going to put up a fence because we got a critter. Well, hi there, welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. My name is Scott. This is Samuel, he's my son, and we've discovered we've got a critter right in our garden. I've tried all kinds of different fencing ideas to keep my dog out and to keep critters out. My in-laws happen to have this picket fence. It's just basically little white pickets about 2.5 feet tall, held together by 2 strands of twisted wire. Real simple. You could even make this if you had to. And I think it'll work for what we need. We've got some sort of a skunk or possum coming into my garden, digging in my fresh seedlings. They dug up my radishes. Half my radishes are gone. And so we needed some way to keep these critters out. I'm not sure that this will do it, but we're going to give it a try. I'll put a game camera out here tomorrow. I don't have it tonight, but I'm going to put it out here tomorrow night and see if we can't find out what's visiting the garden. And if it's a vermin of some sort, we're going to trap it. And if it's a skunk, we're going to, well, I don't know what we're going to do if it's a skunk. If it's a possum, we'll relocate him because those are beneficial. I just don't want him digging in the garden. And if it's a neighbor's cat, we're going to take it to the neighbor and say, hey, here's your cat. Would you please maybe take better care of the cat and keep it from roaming out at night. There's a lot of feral cats around here too, and I don't know that we can do anything with those cats. So hopefully this fence will deter whatever it was, just enough to keep the garden protected. It's really troublesome that we have to do this. It makes weeding a little bit difficult, but hey, you know, I'm blessed that I don't live in the country and have to put up deer fencing around my garden, so that's a good thing.
Start rolling?
Yeah, take it down that way. Let's see how much fence we have.
It's like a wheel.
Hung up?
I almost stumped my toe on it.
Were you falsely accused? It wasn't you in the garden, was it? You can see the damage done right in the middle there. That was all dug up. I've already sown new seeds, so you know, if I really wanted to be optimistic, I could say that I've been done a favor, because now I've planted, what do they call it when you I've succession planted, and so I'll have a crop of radishes here, and then a couple weeks later I'll have a crop of radishes there in that bare spot. Tomorrow I have a trail camera coming, and I'm going to set it up and see what vermin are visiting our garden. It is a motion sensor, you know, it's a hunting trail camera, so that'll at least be interesting too, show us what kind of animals or critters we have. I suspect it's a cat, but the way that the dig marks were in the soil, it might be a possum. It'd be nice and sturdy. Now we got our camera set up, a little game trail camera with a motion sensor and night vision. Hopefully that will see whatever's been digging my radishes.
And this guy right here was supposed to prevent that, but
apparently it didn't work, huh? Well, we set up our motion sensor trail cam and it ran all night long, and we didn't get anything on the camera, and here's why. We caught our critter, the one that's been, we assume has been coming to the garden, on his approach to the garden. We were outside and saw a possum coming through our neighbor's shrubs. And so we think this is our guy. Are you the fella that's been digging up my garden? You're going to have to move on out of here. I'm going to have to trap you and move you.
I'm in my fighting stance, just in case.
He's cool.
He's cool.
Yeah. So there's your possum. Look at that fella. What a creature roundup. Look at that. You know, a possum, Sam, they eat grubs, they eat slugs, they eat all kinds of trash. They're good animals to have around. Look at that tail. That's a prehensile tail. Sort of. And that is one of the marsupials that live in North America. It has a pouch. I don't know if this is a male or a female. But this animal is a very cool animal, and we don't want to kill these animals. But if he's digging in our garden, we want to trap him. We're gonna have to buy a trap. I'm not gonna pick him up right now.
We're gonna relocate.
But we're gonna have to trap him, and we're gonna relocate him to a park or something.
Yep.
Thank you for joining us at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. My name is Scott. Please like us, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment if you would, and share our channel with your friends. Join us on Facebook and follow my blog. All those things that bloggers and video guys always say. We'd really appreciate it if you'd help us out. So there's a little bit about what we're doing in our garden to get rid of pests and putting up fences. Hope you had a good time visiting us. We had a good time making this video for you. Thanks. Goodbye.